Hello, good morning everyone. Testing. Can you all hear me? Okay, very good. How is the weather today? Nice. Yes. So last night was the last night of the Hungry Ghost month. Yeah, if you believe. Yeah. Yeah. So the last, burning the incense, yeah. Then raining, then clear up the air. Today is very fresh. Yeah. Okay, how many people inside already? Okay, so let me check participants. Okay, not many today. I'll make Abby as a co-host. Yeah, so you have me. Your task is whenever someone join in the waiting list, then you help me to maybe two lah, Abby and Kimberly. Yeah. So whenever uh, someone in a waiting list in the waiting room, yeah, please admit. Yeah, okay. Okay, so today we continue with the lesson SQL. So last week we have learned about a few things like insert, update. Yeah. So we complete the DML or the data manipulation language. So it has a select in the query. After that, we learn about how to insert a new record, how to delete, and how to update. So today we continue with the other programming things in SQL, which are the flow logic like if else, and then when case, and then the looping, yeah, while. Okay, let me check. Seems like some news in the Telegram. Okay, guys, one moment, yeah. Okay, let's continue. Yeah, so I opened the demonstration file, and yesterday someone asked me about how to do the lab. Yeah, let me explain later. Okay, so we have learned about the DML to insert the rows into the new table or existing table, and then also to update the data, and then practice with the delete. After that, truncate. Yeah. Okay, now we're going to continue with the, yeah, this one. Yeah. So we're going to learn the programming syntax like if else, and then after that, this is to check the condition, while, looping, and then another objects in the programming, which is the store procedure. Okay. So I open the There are five, yeah, five query. So my plan is today to complete this part and also another part is handling the error. And tomorrow we're going to do that, handling the error. And yeah, next week, Saturday, then we start with Python programming. Okay, let's open the setup. Yeah, what is the setup? The setup is basically to prepare to create the object for the next demonstration. So we need the sales LT demo table. Currently, we don't have this table. Okay. So the command is if object ID sales LT demo table is not null, meaning exists, yeah, then drop, yeah, then recreate again. Okay. But if it is not exists, then it will just skip and then continue here. Yeah. So this run in a one batch. So what happen is you will create one empty table. The name is a demo table. Okay, yeah, so here I refresh. You don't run because this only needed one time. Yeah, so here. If you run, then it will delete the table that I created. Yeah, so if you want, you can create a table with number 2 like this, yeah, or number 3, up to you. Or put your name, yeah. So like for example, you want to create Lian, yeah, like this, yeah. Then okay, yeah, for example like that. So this will create separate table. Okay, yeah, if you run this one, then it will create another table. PK demo table Lian. Yeah. Okay, so you refresh. Okay, then you have this. That's example. Yeah? If you want to create for yourself. Okay. Yeah. The first is about the variable. So we have discussed this in the previous lesson that whenever in the programming you need to store something, then normally we create a variable. Variable is to store the data in the memory, so you can reuse again. Yeah, you can initialize the variable with the value, but during the runtime, then you can change the value. Yeah. Okay. For example, I would like to create a parameterized query. So select the select statement itself is using the where clause that the value is passed as a parameter. So we need to define the city. So we create a variable set city. Yeah. Declare first. Yeah. Okay. So this is declare the city. The data type is a varchar. Yeah, you remember varchar is meaning variable character. The length is a variable. Yeah, it's not fixed length. Okay. Yeah. So we initialize with the Toronto, but eventually later you change the value of variable to believe believe you. Yeah, believe you. Okay. Then when you run, yeah, select first name, yeah. So normally you run the command like this, yeah, without where clause. So you get the 417 rows customer. Yeah. So this is the city. Yeah. But you would like to find the city of the Toronto, for example. So normally you put like this. Like this, right? Okay. but yeah, only 23 live in Toronto. But then, if you want to change the city to other, for example, Seattle, then you change this. Okay, yeah. So instead of doing like this, assigning with the hard code, yeah, then you change this to the variable. Okay, then the variable can be changed here. For example, set city equal to believe. Yeah, then after that, you run this. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So that's a variable, the purpose. Yeah. You can also use the parameter. This one is using the variable as a input parameter. Okay. Now we use this as a output. Yeah. Declare result equal the type of money, and then select at result equal to the max total due. Yeah, from the sales order header. Then you can print. Okay. This is the output. Yeah, the result. Okay. So in the SQL Server, TSQL, whenever you want to print, you don't have to put in the bracket. Yeah, but in the Python later, you're going to learn, you need to put in the bracket. Okay, yeah, so that's the example of a variable. Okay, so for example, I would like to see uh, the maximum price, average price. Yeah, then, okay, so let's do a small exercise here. The exercise is find the product that the list price is higher than average list price. Okay, yeah, find the product that the list price is higher than average of the list price. Okay, so you need to find the average list price. Yeah, so you like this. Yeah, so the list price is located at the product table. You see here. This one. Yeah. So I like this. Declare average list price money. Okay, and then select average list price equal to the average list price. Yeah, then from sales LT product. Okay, yeah, then after that you continue by select product ID, comma name, yeah, comma list price. From sales LT product where list price greater than average list price. Okay, yeah, so I put this in the chat box. Let me run this. Yeah, let me run this. Okay, so you see This is the list price, yeah. And then you want to see the average list price. I can also put here. What is the average list price? It is, yeah. Sorry. Yes, yes. Okay, sorry. Select average list price. Oh, okay, I have to run this together. Yep, okay. So let me copy this query. Then you can try yourself. Okay, that's how to use the variable. Okay, any questions so far? Okay, if you don't have any questions, then let's move to the number 2. Yeah, if else. Okay, so just like any other programming language that you have learned earlier or before, yeah? So we have the always the situation when we need to branch. Yeah, you need to branch either 2 or 3 or multiple more than that. Yeah. So in the what we call is this decision tree, we evaluate some condition. Yeah, if it is true, then do this. If it is not, then do that. Yeah, and sometimes not only two condition, but more than two. Yeah, if A, then this. If else, if B, then what? Yeah, and then if else C, then what? Yeah, okay. So that's if else. Yeah. So if this, yeah, print true. So that's a simple logical test. Yeah. But if you have a multiple line that you would like to execute after the if or else, then you need to put the begin and end. Yeah. Okay. So let's look at the condition like this. Yeah. So declare uh, number. Yeah. Integer. Okay. Then after that, set number equal to 10. Yeah. Then if. Okay. Okay, like this, yeah. Declare number integer, set number equal to 10. If the number greater than 5, then print. Yeah, okay. So that one. Okay, greater than 5. Yeah. Okay. But then if you would like to change something, yeah, like for example, if number than 5, then after that you would like to do then number. Okay, so I had here, yeah. Declare integer number, yeah, and then declare message varchar 20, 40, yeah, like this, yeah. Okay, if number then more than 5, yeah, set message equal to this. Okay, yeah, so here, because after the if we have a two line, yeah, then we need to put the begin and end like this, yeah. So you just now you saw that if I don't put the begin and end like this, yeah, then I have the error here in the else, yeah. There is a underscore red. Okay, yeah, so that means that if a number will be more than 5, then is, yeah. So only run the one line, then it will go to the outside of the if, then it will always execute this, yeah. But if you would like to make it as a block of the command that you will like you would like to run, yeah, if the condition is true, then we need to put the begin and end like this, yeah, like that, yeah. Okay, then copy also this one, else also like that, yeah. Okay, yeah. So that's the if else, yeah. Okay, if a row count less than one, yeah, then begin product was not found, and else begin, yeah. So although it is a single line, you can also put the begin and end, yeah. This is optional for the one row, but it is mandatory for more than one row uh, command, yeah. After the if and else, you put in the begin and end block, yeah, like this. Okay. So what is row count? Yeah, row count is the system variable or global variable that returning the product. Yeah. Okay. So for example, like this, I would like to we would like to update the product, set discontinue date to today date. Yeah, where product ID equal to 1, and then if this command is successful, then it will return the row count 1. Yeah, but if it is not, then the row count is less than 1. Okay, like this. Yeah. For example, select star from product. Yeah, where okay print row count. Yeah, okay, just like this. Yeah, run. Okay. Where because yeah, you see here the started executing. Then after that 295. Yeah, row count. Yeah, okay. So now I'm going to put the where product ID equal to 1, like this. Okay, then print row count 0. Yeah, there is no product ID equal to 1. Okay, but if you see here, there is a one product, for example, 680. So I change this 680. Yeah. This should return the one row, right? Okay, yeah. So let's run one product. Okay, that's row count. Yeah, and where the product ID greater than 680, like this. Run. Okay, and then 294. Okay, so maybe we want to increase, yeah, to 750. Okay, 249. Okay, so just now there is no product with the ID number 1, so this will return the error because there is no product ID 1. Okay, then it will go to the this one because the row count is less than 0, less than 1. Product was not 1. Yeah, okay, product was not 1. But if you put 680 because the product was found, yeah, then we run here. Okay, yeah, product updated because there is one product found with the ID 680. So the row count is the global variable that return when you do something. Yeah, you select update or delete, then the number of the rows that affected by the command, yeah, it will be put into the global variable name row count. Okay, so I save this copy because I add a few more commands. I put here in the chat box. Okay, you read through, then let me know if you have any questions. I quickly go to washroom, then return back in 2-3 minutes. Yeah. Okay, I'm back. Let's continue. uh, with the, so we did the setup. Okay, while, yeah, while is used for looping, iterating. Okay, so in the SQL Server, we have the while. For example, oh sorry, while is here. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to loop for 5 times, for example. Yeah. So while is executed in the beginning, and then the following code is put into the block begin and end, and it will be repeated until the while return false. So you see here, for example, we declare the counter initial value is 1. So declare counter integer equal 1, and then while counter less than 5. So in the body of the loop, you increment the counter every time one time run, it will add 1 until, yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, 5 times. Yeah. Okay, so you would like to enter the description, yeah, from this row. Yeah, okay, I run this. Before that, I select first, yeah, the value is empty. Yeah, select SLT demo table. Yeah, this one, the demo table is empty, nothing. Yeah. And then we're going to run 5 rows, insert 5 rows by using this. Run. Okay, then you select. Now we have 5 rows. Row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Okay, testing for existing value. Yeah. Declare counter integer 1, declare description integer, and then select, yeah, max ID. Yeah, ID is this one. Yeah. From the search demo, yeah, this is the ID. You would like to find the max ID. Yeah. Okay, so this one, max, yeah, 5 at this moment. Yeah. So while the counter less than 5, okay, then you would like to convert, yeah, the description into the varchar 5. Oh, sorry, this one is insert again. Yeah, insert. Yeah. While the counter less than 5. Okay. So currently 5 description at the maximum. Yeah, you will increase. Yeah, 5 plus 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. Okay, that's what is this. What this code is doing is basically check the maximum, which is 5, then increment with 1, then add 5 more. Yeah? Because it starts with the 1 again. Okay, now you check, then you have the 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, okay. Row 5 is a double, yeah, because yeah, while the counter less than 5 row convert partial. Okay, it should be the yeah, so this one is this should be added in the beginning like this. Yeah, put here. Yeah. Okay, I will truncate the table, then repeat again. Yeah. Truncate the table, sales LT demo table. This is to erase the content. Yeah. So after you truncate, you run. empty. The table is empty. Yeah, we repeat again from beginning. This the first 5 rows. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Then we add the 5 more, but at this time you increment the description first. Yeah, with the 1. So it will go to the 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sorry, this one is here. Okay, and then after that, select. Okay, yeah. So 4, 5, 6. Yeah. This time is only less than. This time is less than equal. Yeah. So only adding 4. Yeah. If you want to 10, then also put like this. Yeah. So otherwise, then it will only add the 4 rows. Yeah. To make it 9. Okay. Let me truncate again. Then repeat. This is to insert the first 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then this one is to enter the next 5. So become 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, okay, like that. Yeah. So this the code that already been amended. Okay. Any questions so far? So that's while and then looping. Yeah. So this while will evaluate whether true or not. Yeah. For example, you would like okay, declare is to tell the SQL to create the variable in the memory. Yeah, we want to initialize the variable by telling the SQL Server we want to create variable with this data type. Okay, Shilpa. So we tell in advance. Yeah, some programming language need to tell in advance about the variable that you need to create in the memory. So declare is basically to reserve, yeah, reserve the memory space for this variable with this name. So later you can use it. Yeah. Niraja, is that accidental? You type the plus 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 plus. What is the meaning? Okay, no problem. Yeah, I guess accidentally type the plus button. Okay, let's continue practice. Yeah, for example, like this. I have the demo table. Yeah, 10 rows. Yeah, then I would like to print and then until find the row number 7. Yeah, so here declare uh, id, yeah, integer equal to 1. Okay, then uh, while the Yeah, I'm not talking yet. Yeah, still trying to construct the SQL statement. Yeah, select description. This one is varchar 20. Yeah, declare okay, so while ID less not equal to 7, begin a select description from this table. Okay, and then after that, print the okay. So we loop, yeah, while the ID not equal to 7, yeah, starting from 1. So what happened is increment and then printing the description after increment and then become 7, then this stop. Yeah. Okay, let's try whether this works or not. Run. Yeah. Okay. Row 10. Okay, I put the where. Yeah, where uh, ID equal to ID. That is yeah. Okay. Then run. Okay, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After that, stop at the 7. Okay. So that's another example. Yeah, using this while looping. Okay, everyone. 9:45. So I will close these first sessions. We continue again at the 10 o'clock. Yeah, at 10 o'clock. So you can start log in at the 9:55. I will open at 9:55. Can log on again at 9:55 and start at the 10. How to control user access? Is it only by changing the password? How to control user access? What do you meaning, Vijayasri? Did we did your questions related to this topic or other? How to control user access? Is it only by changing? Oh, okay. So user access is basically you use the management studio. Yeah. So in the SQL, you have a two-level credential, the server and the database level. So for example, this is a SQL server. There is a permission, yeah, and then a database here. Okay, so first user will be created in the server, yeah, server user. and then the user can be granted the permission to access the database. So not all the user has a permission to the all database. There is a access control list, yeah. ACL. ACL is the permission. Yeah. So that's the answer, Vijayasri. You use other tools to do that, yeah, which is SQL Server Management Studio. Let me check if I have it as SMS. No, I have to install that. Yeah. SQL Server Management Studio. So that's this one, yeah, SSMS. Yeah, SQL Server Management Studio. You use this SQL Server Management Studio to manage the permission. Okay. Yeah. Thank you very much, and I'll see you again later at 10 o'clock. You can start log on at 9:55. Yeah. So thank you, and see you later. I will stop the recording. Yeah. So top down. Yeah. So normally we retrieve top down. Yeah. Okay. See you later.